Hannah, explain to us what you're about to do.
So I am about to suck down some helium.
Sucker.
And like, I've got like a really deep voice, so this could be like very interesting. See, I want to end up like Chloe here. So.
Okay, can you give her some of your helium? Alright, Hannah.
Okay, where's the hole?
Hey, Chloe.
Can't find it. I can't find the microscopic hole. There it is.
Hello. Hi. What's up, guys?
Do more, because it'll get higher.
Okay.
Jackie's what's like Munchkin.
Hey, what's up? This is like so awesome. Yeah.
Oh my god! Here, take it.
Yeah, so that was like my helium experience.
Oh my gosh, do you hear me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, that was like the most traumatic change I've ever heard. Okay, wow. Alright.
You sound funny.
Yeah. So you can check out the rest of my YouTube channel at Drama Band Geek on YouTube.com.
Wait.
See ya.